really upset attention that this is my last week of freedom. Like, this time next week, I will be sat in an office working a 9-to-5 job. I guess it'll be fine. I made the most of this time, you guys. I gotta make the most of this time.
2 days later.
So I start work on Tuesday and I own one blouse and one skirt. So I am in desperate need of finding some clothes that I can wear into the office. I've been to the market for fruit and veg, and now I'm gonna walk into town and figure out what the hell I'm gonna wear for my first week of work. Friends was successful. I also got some Sour Patch Kids and I got them a cookie because why not? So one of the things that I'm becoming very aware of is that I won't have access to a full-on kitchen every lunch, breakfast and snack. So I've been wanting to diversify my lunches a little bit recently anyway, and there's this couscous recipe that I found which looks so delicious, but I want to give it a try, make sure I like it before I bring it into the office, don't like it and then have nothing for lunch. So I'm hoping this is going to be chef's kiss food. It's gonna be so good. I mean, it says 2 cloves of garlic, so I'm thinking 4 cloves of garlic? I have a question for you guys. Why is it when I cut garlic that my hands get sticky? I need to wash it. Get really like tacky. Why is that? If you know, drop it in the comment section below because I want to know. Okay, so it looks phenomenal. I'm hyped, we've got to try it. Oh, it's so fluffy. I think I could have put more peas in. There it is. Okay, get a bit of carrot, bit of chickpea, bit of onion, bit of pepper. Now it says yellow pepper in the recipe. They're called capsicums over here, and they're so expensive fresh, so you have to buy them frozen. And we just have a bag of red and green ones, so. Oh, that is so good. Oh my god. The only thing is I think that there could be more peas in it. Oh my god. But, you know, it's not like it's over. Oh, amazing. Right. I'm gonna go enjoy this before I jump onto the next project. The other thing I'm aware of is that normally when I batch cook, like say my chili or my bolognese, I make it last the meal for the day that I've cooked it, so dinner for 2, and then I make sure that there's 3 containers in the fridge, hopefully with enough for 2 meals and maybe a smidge extra, so like half a lunch the next day. And it's kind of dawned on me that the more I make, the easier my week is gonna be, because if we eat chili for dinner and then I have a full portion for the next day, I don't need to worry about meal prepping for my lunch that day. So I'm gonna make the fattest chili I've ever made in my entire life. And I'm low-key excited because I've only ever filled our slow cooker just past halfway, like a bit more than that, like 3/5. I want to get higher, you know? It's like a challenge. How much food can I get in this slow cooker? So that's what we're gonna do now. I may have had a little bit of cookie after the couscous. I want to see how much I can make. Guys, I think I did it. I think I've made the biggest chili in the entire world. I'm so happy. But I also think it might take 3 days to come to the boil. But we'll see. It looks yummy. Okay, the amazing thing about getting all of that done is that I am less stressed about trying the recipe for the first time. I have so much chili in the freezer and I just feel more prepared. It feels good. I'm scared. I'm not gonna lie. I've never ever had a 9-to-5 job. I've been healthcare. So I'm just trying to figure out what it's gonna be like and getting ahead of that curve. What can I do to help future me? That's the aim of this entire thing. So yeah, I'm really happy with everything I just achieved. That's so good. I think I'm gonna kick back with a beer and get on with some video editing because it's Saturday and it just feels good. Oh, and I have a lot of laundry to put away. Yeah. Well, I have something that might make you feel a little bit better.
Well, so I'm in a good mood.
Okay, well.
Oh.
I bought you a cookie.
Baby cookie guy, you cookie. A cookie? From where?
There's like this little bakery place. And I got 2, I had a little bit of each. One's triple chocolate and one's a caramel chew. They're tasty.
Everyone was warming them up though. Oh damn.
They're good, right? So we have brandy, Sour Patch Kids and cookies. Good morning, one and all. It is my last day of freedom, or at least that's what it feels like. I've just woken up and I think I'm gonna make pancakes. Have made pancakes in the longest time, not like crap pancakes, like American pancakes. I don't have any strawberries, which is really sad, but I do have chocolate and I have maple syrup. So that is what I'm gonna make now, I think. I think I have everything. Eggs, flour, baking powder, should be good to go. Well, that was extremely tasty. We are going to Rivendell today from Lord of the Rings. It's actually less than an hour away and there's like a really small, like a 4-kilometer walk I think when you get there. So we're gonna go do that today and you guys are coming with me. So it looks like 16 degrees today. So yeah, I'm thinking light layers. And then the surf's meant to be good later as well. Which reminds me, I need to put my wetsuit outside to dry.
So.
Why are you wearing both of them?
You just want me to carry it.
Yeah, in your hand.
Yeah, you didn't specify.
I didn't, that is true. Please be dry when I get back.
Good.
Okay. Cool.
Begging you. At the end.
Definitely should have worn more clothes. It is chilly because there's so much water around. It's stunning.
From the sun.
It's like being in the rainforest. Just this is directly above us. So gorgeous. Oh wow. Do you want your picture with that tree?
Yeah, sure.
Hobbit dwelling.
No.
Do you want to light a fire and wait out the scary people in hoods?
I would just set fire to the tree. I want to set fire to the forest to leave.
No.
No, I don't.
So the route that we've come to walk is closed. Hole?
Hole.
Go in it.
I don't think they can.
I'll do it.
Yeah, I think you'll have to.
Oh, what if there's spiders in there?
Oh, very potentially.
Why would you say that out loud? There's a cobweb up there.
Mm-hmm. You got this. Go into hole.
That's what she said.
Oh, there's so many spider webs in here. This is great.
Little hole.
I am Hobbit. So the route that we wanted to walk is closed for construction. The loop swing track is closed. For 2 years. Construction's over in 2024. So we've come to live in New Zealand for 2 years. And the 2 years that we're here, Rivendell Walk is closed.
So instead we just have to walk to Rivendell the easy way.
Yeah, we can still go. We just can't do the bridge.
I mean, I don't get it. Gandalf's all like, hey, let's go the hidden pass route. There's just it's a main road to get there. Take the A road. There you go.
Take the A road. Sure, Gandalf would have appreciated that advice.
Also, what's more amusing is that to get from Rivendell to the Shire, so Frodo had to walk from the Shire to Rivendell, but he actually passed Mount Doom to do that. Could have just boop. But no, he had to do a full circle.
In real life he did it. He didn't do it in the movies or the book.
Because he's stupid. Mount Doom is next to the Shire.
In real life?
Yeah.
Right, yeah. This doesn't count.
No, that counts.
Okay, right. Hey, Wolf. Hey, how's it going? So cute.
The loop track's the Diddy one, isn't it, I think?
Oh, duck. Well, that was nice. It was very short and sweet, but it was good. This was 100% a short and sweet trip, but at the same time, it was really beautiful and such a nice little adventure. We really enjoyed it and I highly recommend Rivendell if you do happen to find yourself in New Zealand. Nice. Oh, there's the 2 ducks that were fornicating earlier.
Donks.
The donks.
The donkey.
Okay, so I am very aware that I have not shared with you what I got on my shopping trip. So let's do that. Okay. You don't care about this. I got tights. Tights are needed. You need a fresh pair every day. I got vitamin C, which I'm currently enjoying, but I've left it in the kitchen, so I'll go get that in a sec. But I'm about to be in an office with people I've never interacted with before, and I think it's a closed door office, and it's like when you go back to school, like I feel like I'm gonna get ill. So I got vitamin C to make sure my immune system is in tippy top condition. I don't have any really of my jewellery with me other than jewellery that I would wear going out. So I got these. Really simple, really small, really thin, and they're sterling silver, so I can wear them all the time. Oh, I love those. And I got a second pencil skirt, thank God, because we don't own an iron yet, and the other one is so creased. Even if I hang it in the shower, it's doomed. I got this gorgeous top. Everything's so bright, like it's so overexposed. What is going on? I got everything in the sale, like 50% off. And I just need to pick, so I think I'm gonna have to just try them on.
I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah? This is option number 2.
Oh, yeah. That looks nice too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Feeling profesh.
Feeling professional, hell yeah.
Okay, option number 3. Yeah, funnily enough, I didn't think you'd like that one as much. And I've also got my burgundy one and I've got my green one, making 5.
Perfect. Oh.
First day of work tomorrow.
I think enthusiasm's real.
The fake enthusiasm is strong. And now for the final outfit change, a wetsuit. Hey Ben, you know that cute cat from earlier?
Yeah.
Look. Look, he's that little black and white ball.
Oh yeah.
He's so cute. I don't want the neighbours to think I'm being really weird, but I want to show you this cat. Okay, let's give it a go. See if we can stealth it. You see him? He's that little black and white ball. He's having a nap. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I can't wait to see you next week. Bye!